During your teen's college admissions journey, what I want most for your family is a calm, clear, and confident process. Everyone else around you will hype all the stress and frenzy in this process, but you know something? It does not have to be that way. You can actually enjoy the journey with your teen. Through this video series, I want to share with you my top tips for staying calm through the college admissions process. Today's tip is practicing mindfulness. And that word has become so commonly used lately, and we oftentimes don't really understand what it means. And the way I can explain it to you, it's about being present. So being fully present in whatever you're doing. And a couple of small ways that your teen and you as well can learn how to be mindful could be practicing breathing and just breathing. So taking a deep breath in and out, exhaling. And so doing that, 3, 4 times a day, and it's only a few seconds, but taking that time just allows you to be still and be quiet. And so practicing mindfulness. Another technique can be a body scan. And so that's just sitting calmly and recognizing how your toes feel. And then coming all the way up through your calves, into your legs, into your chest area, and out through the top of your head. And so just that body scan is another way. And I know that I'm doing this in a very crude way as far as explaining it, but just to give you an idea, because I think that even explaining it in that way can help you get a sense for what it is. But when you're doing something and being mindful, you're in that moment and you're fully engaged with what's going on. And so if your teen is working on some college research, so being fully engaged in the college research that they're doing as part of their process. And it means not multitasking, not being distracted with so many other things. So it could be actually using something like the Pomodoro technique, which I've mentioned before, which is just setting the timer for 25 minutes and doing it for 25 minutes, being focused on that one thing. That can be a part of being mindful and being present in that moment. For more tips and insight, please download my Keep Calm poster, and that will include your grade year journal as well to stay calm through this process. See you next time.